Looking for a fast, reliable charging solution? The APFEN USB C to USB C cable delivers 60W power for rapid charging that keeps up with your busy life. Whether you're powering up your iPhone 17, Samsung Galaxy S25, or MacBook Air, this cable gets your devices charged faster and safer than ever. This 6-foot cable supports PD 3.0, QC 3.0, and QC 4.0 fast charging technologies, pushing your charging speeds to new heights. It can charge a USB-C phone from 0 to 88% in just 35 minutes, an iPad Pro to 72%, and a MacBook Air to 64% in the same time frame. Plus, with 480 megabits per second data transfer rates, syncing files is quick and hassle-free. Durability is a standout feature here. Made from TPE, a flexible thermoplastic elastomer, this cable withstands over 30,000 bends and twists without breaking. Its TPE coating not only adds elasticity but also supports eco-friendly recycling. Laser welding technology further extends the cable's lifespan, so you won't need to replace it anytime soon. Safety matters, and APFEN doesn't cut corners. This cable has passed rigorous tests including 48-hour salt spray, RoHS, REACH, and USB-IF certifications. It features a smart chip that detects your device and adjusts the current to prevent overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. That means your device's battery stays protected every time you plug in. Compatibility is broad and versatile. From the latest iPhone 17 series and Samsung Galaxy S25 to Google Pixel models, MacBook Pros, iPad Air, and more, this cable handles it all. Just pair it with a USB-C power adapter to unlock its full fast charging potential across your devices. You get two 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cables in each pack, backed by APFEN's friendly customer service. They stand behind their product's quality and promise a solution within 24 hours if you run into any issues. That peace of mind is worth considering when choosing your next charging cable. If you want a fast, durable, and safe USB-C cable that works seamlessly with your favorite devices, this APFEN 60W charging cord is worth a look. It combines speed, longevity, and smart protection in one simple package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience.